Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am here again with Saturday activity, and as yesterday was environment day, so today we are going to make something which will be a bit from our side for our environment. Today we are going to make bird feeder and with the help of old mobile phone box. So let's begin today's activity. These are the items which we require for today's activity. Some birds, some leaves, an old mobile box, some colorful tape, a piece of carton and a nail. Let's begin. As you can see, now our activity is completely ready. This is the final outcome of our today's activity. Early in the morning, I'll go outside and find a suitable place where I'll hang it so that bird can find it easily. Here on one shelf, I'll keep the rice for the birds, and on the another, I'll keep wheat for the birds. When birds will come outside, chirp outside, we will enjoy the chirping sound of the bird. I hope you enjoy today's activity, so make it, click it and send it to me. I'll be waiting for the pictures of your activities. So that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day and take good care of yourself.